Welcome! In this video, we'll show you how to configure the receptionist role for an inbound agent in the Ava Voice AI platform by Thinkrr.ai. Receptionist agents help businesses manage inbound calls automatically, delivering a professional and seamless experience for every caller. These AI agents act as the first point of contact, greeting callers, answering questions, collecting information, booking meetings, and transferring calls when needed. They're a scalable way to provide 24/7 support, reduce manual workloads, and improve your responsiveness. To get started, create a new inbound agent from your home screen and select Receptionist as the role. Now let's go over the customizable user input fields that define how your receptionist behaves. You'll configure how the agent greets callers, the opening line used to start interactions, introduction text, a brief sentence where the AI introduces itself and its function, representative name, the real person the agent is representing, representative title, that person's role or job title like sales manager or CEO, company name, the business the agent is working on behalf of, information to gather, the details the agent should collect from the caller, such as name, contact info, or reason for the call, key information, business-specific knowledge like pricing, services, or policies that the AI should reference, and finally, the primary goal, what the agent is ultimately meant to do, like answering questions, booking meetings, or transferring calls. Under Manage Actions, you can enable real-time appointment scheduling, which allows the AI to check your connected calendar and instantly book meetings when a caller requests one. You can also configure call transfers, letting the agent route calls to designated phone numbers based on the caller's needs, along with a pre-transfer message like, "Let me connect you to our sales team. One moment, please." Finally, enable representative notifications to automatically send your team an email summary after each call, including caller details, a conversation summary, transcript, sentiment analysis, and a link to the recording if enabled. You can configure up to 10 calendars, 10 call forwarding numbers, and 10 email notification addresses, giving you plenty of flexibility to match your team's setup. These options help your receptionist agent go beyond answering calls by actively managing bookings, escalations, and communication handoffs. After setting up Manage Actions, click the Settings button to open the configuration panel. A side panel will appear, allowing you to edit the full agent configuration. The panel includes the same options you saw during initial agent creation, along with the call settings drop-down for advanced customization. Expand the call settings drop-down to adjust call behavior options. The noise isolation mode helps filter out voices that are not part of the conversation, bringing silence to busy environments. Maximum call duration lets you set time limits for your calls to better manage minutes consumption. You can also select background sound options such as coffee shop, call center, or outdoors. When a background sound is selected, you'll also see a background sound volume slider to fine-tune the volume level. You can train your receptionist using flexible guidelines or include more detailed prompts to steer its behavior. While Ava allows for a range of instruction styles, we strongly recommend avoiding tightly scripted flows for calendar booking. Overly prescriptive logic may interfere with Ava's internal scheduling mechanisms and cause booking issues. Once you've configured your agent, make sure to test it thoroughly. Simulate different caller types, ask questions, and evaluate whether the responses match your expectations. This ensures the AI is performing as intended before you go live. Once you're satisfied with your configurations, click Save Agent to complete the setup. If you're creating an agent for the first time, clicking Save and Launch will apply all the configurations you've made and instantly activate the agent to begin receiving calls. Your live agents will appear directly on the homepage under Live Active Agents. If you ever need to make changes to any agent, you can edit their configurations at any time from the Active Agents list. You are all done with the setup. If you have any questions or require further assistance, visit help.thinkrr.ai or email us at hello@thinkrr.ai. Thank you for watching.